Hello everyone, marhaba, and welcome back to Learn Arabic in the Levantine dialect. In this lesson, we're going to learn the subject pronouns in spoken Arabic. And stay tuned till the end of the video for some examples and a tip on verb to be. Let's go. We'll start with I. أنا. أنا. In Arabic, we have 3 different forms of you, one for masculine, one for feminine, and one for plural. We'll start with the masculine. You for male is inta. Inta. You for a female is inti. Inti. And if you're talking to a group of people, it's into. Into. He, هو. هو. And she, it's هي. هي. They, هم. هم. We, you could either say إحنا or نحنا. إحنا or نحنا. Okay, let's now look at some examples on how to use these pronouns. أنا سارة. I'm Sarah. Notice that we only used the pronoun أنا and then the name Sarah. The verb to be in the present tense is implied within these subject pronouns. So أنا is also I am. It's not only I. So when I want to say I'm Sarah, I would say أنا سارة. أنت سام. Are you Sam? أنت سام. Here, the verb to be are in the present tense is also implied within inta. So inta is are you. So inta implies the verb to be within it. أنتوا من سوريا. أنتوا من سوريا. Are you from Syria? أنتوا من سوريا. Into also here implies the pronoun and the verb to be in the present tense. هي أردنية. She's Jordanian. هي أردنية. هو هون. He is here. هو هون. نحن جايين. We are coming. نحن جايين. So with all of these phrases, the verb to be is always implied within the subject pronoun. That's our lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. مع السلامة.